Okay. First thing you have to do is split them so they end up by u divided by v. Okay, so it's 1 minus x x squared plus c. So this one is u, this one is v. Therefore, that u equal to square root 1 minus x and u equal to square root of square plus 3. Now, we have a u function divided by a v function, so we have to use the quotient rule. Okay, now let's find du dx, which is half and 1 over square root 1 minus x and minus 1. du dx equal to half and 1 over x2 plus 3 and 2x. Okay. Let's simplify it. Minus 1 over 2, 1 minus x. Okay. Then this one, du dx, is cancelled out. So this becomes x over square root x2 plus 3. Okay, let's use quotient rule. dy dx actually equal to v du dx minus u dv dx over v squared. Okay, now let's do it over here. V is this x squared plus 3 square root. There is v, then du dx is this, so time minus 1 over 2, 1 minus x, then minus u is 1 minus x. Okay, then dv dx, which is this, become x over x squared plus 3. Okay, over v squared. V is this, u squared. Okay, now let's simplify the whole thing. Minus x squared plus 3 over 2 square root 1 minus x. Okay, minus this x square root 1 minus x over x squared plus 3. This over v is square root, the square become x squared plus 3. Okay, now I want to combine these two terms together. Now they have a different denominator. So how would you do? If let's say this a, this b, how do you form the common denominator is a times b? Okay, so let's park this one here first. Okay, so the denominator is this times this, so 2 square root 1 minus x times x2 plus 3. So this times this to get a combinator, so it's this times this also. So it's square root x squared plus 3 times this one, square root x squared plus 3. There's a negative here, remember. Then minus this x square root. Now to form the combinator, this times this. Okay. So the numerator also multiply by this. So it becomes 2 square root 1 minus x. Okay? Repeat. A and B. There's no common factor, so the common denominator is this times this. So this one also have to times this. This is what you get here. And this one times this. This whole thing also times this. This is what you get here. Okay? Now, let's simplify. Plus 3 now. Square root x squared plus 3, square root x squared plus 3. So what you have? Minus bracket x squared plus 3. Minus, what about here? X square root 1 minus x, 2 square root 1 minus x. Look at the square root 1 minus x. So square root end up just 1 minus x. So become minus this 2 here times this x. So become 1 minus x. Now, what do you have here? So you have 2 square root 1 minus x times square root x squared plus 3. Now, let's simplify this here. Let's simplify here first. 1 over x squared plus 3. Now, the top here is 2 square root x squared plus 3 dot 2. Sorry, the 2 is come over here. So square root 1 minus x. Now here is minus x squared. This one is minus 2 times 2x times minus. So become 2x squared is minus x squared. So become x squared only. Okay. Now minus times 3 minus 3. Sorry, let's look at the x term. Minus 2x times 1. This side don't have x term. So minus 2x. Then the constant is minus 3. Okay. Now, so let's come to this. So here. Now the numerator is actually x squared minus 2x minus 3. Then the denominator, now x squared plus 3 times half of x squared plus 3. Using the law of indices, this is actually 1. This half is actually, this square is actually half. So if I multiply, you add the power. So this become x squared plus 3 become 1 plus half the power. Dot. Then you got 2. Then you got square root 1 minus x. Simplify further. X squared minus 2x minus 3. This become x squared plus 3 become 3 over 2. Put the 2 in front here. Then you have 1 minus x square root. Okay. Now, if you want to make it look. So what you do is you can have 2 square root 1 minus x dot. This normally this one you don't convert the a, you just keep it here. X squared plus, sorry, don't have the square root here. Don't put this. Just put it as bracket x squared plus 3